In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to be a good dev on Pump.fun. If you want to do well on Pump.fun, the goal is not just to launch a token and hope for the best. A good developer understands that success usually comes from combining a low-cost launch, an active and engaged community, and consistent visibility on the platform. It's about creating momentum and giving people a reason to care. The first thing to focus on is launching your token cheaply and efficiently. On Pump.fun, keeping your launch simple and cost-conscious matters because it lowers your risk and lets you put more energy into growth instead of overspending at the start. A lean launch also gives you flexibility. If your project starts gaining traction, you can then concentrate on supporting that momentum rather than recovering from unnecessary costs. At the same time, remember that launching is only the beginning. A good developer builds an active community around the token. This means encouraging conversation, keeping people updated, and creating a space where holders feel involved instead of ignored. Communities tend to support projects that feel alive. So your role is to keep the energy up and make people feel like they're part of something fun and worth following. Even a strong idea can fade quickly if nobody is talking about it. Another major part of doing well is streaming on the platform. Streaming helps people connect a real personality to the project, and that can build trust and interest much faster than a silent launch. When people can see that you're present, engaged, and willing to show up, your token feels more active and legitimate. It also gives you a direct way to talk about updates, react in real time, and maintain attention during important moments. For a launch to really succeed, you also need strong liquidity, solid marketing, and a meme that people instantly understand and enjoy. Liquidity helps the token feel healthier and more tradable. Marketing helps new people discover it, and the meme itself is extremely important because on a platform like this, people are often drawn in by something entertaining, relatable, and easy to share. If the concept is fun and memorable, it has a much better chance of spreading. So overall, being a good dev on Pump.fun means thinking beyond the technical launch. Keep the launch affordable, build a genuinely active community, show up through streaming, and make sure the project has strong liquidity, smart promotion, and a meme people can connect with. When all of those pieces work together, you give your token a much better chance to stand out.